Established in 2004, Shenzhen Hangte Technology Development Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise located in Shenzhen, China. As a professional manufacturer for roll printing, self-adhesive labels, and thermal paper labels, including drug labels, application stickers, battery stickers, warning stickers, brother label, Huawei labels, food and drink label, bottle wine labels. Shenzhen Hangte is a skillful manufacturer which goes through years of developing, adheres to strengthened internal management, exploits the market all over the world. We can provide quality products, thoughtful service, fine quality, and competitive price for customers. Our advantages: 1. Advanced printing machines. Our Flexo printing machine for stickers printing could print a vivid color and accuracy. 2. Experienced workers. Our machine's operators have over 10 years experience in the printing field. 3. Various cooperators. We have various kinds of cooperators and brother factories, from materials to post-printing service. Could help us to solve the problem of material, special post-printing process including UV spot, screen printing, hot stamping. Reliable quality, punctual delivery, and competitive price are guaranteed. 4. Professional teams. Our sales team girls have over 10 years experiences in this field. They have sense of responsibility, teamwork, professionalism. 5. Shipment. We cooperate well with our forwarders and could provide you a competitive price for shipment service. No any hidden cost from us. Our main customers are from USA, Australia, Canada, UK, Germany, Singapore, Norway, Finland, Thailand. We not only sell products, but also quality and confidence.